on Channel 5 News. At 10 p.m. we'll be showing breaking news. Melissa Lopez was human trafficked at the Victorville Mall. Stay tuned. Cruz here at the Victor Valley Mall where the incident happened. Here at 6 p.m. Melissa was abducted by Eddie Gutierrez just a couple hours ago. Melissa was walking in the mall with some friends when Eddie approached her asking if she wanted to be a model for the Victor Valley Mall show that was going on. She then agreed, and Eddie told her that she has to meet up at the Hawthorne Hotel just down the street from here. Eddie offered her a ride to the hotel, and at that moment, Eddie abducted her, taking her down to Ontario. Here we have Tanya's friends explaining the incident.
We came to the mall shopping for prom dresses when we were stopped by a tall Hispanic guy named Eddie. He was really creepy and he made us feel really uncomfortable. He tried to get us to go to his hotel room. After we told him no, we didn't want to go back to his hotel room. We started walking, and that's when he started following us, so we felt really uncomfortable and called 911. And then Melissa was calling me, and that's when later I saw her on the news. And I just want to warn everyone to look out for a Hispanic guy with the green truck and make sure you don't ever get bribed into anything.
And that was one of Melissa's friends, Alyssa. Please call 1-800-555-7654 if you see the victim. And please watch for your children.